All right, here we have an exponential function. Our a value, or our starting value, is 1, and we can see that that is our y-intercept, and our scale factor is 2. So everything, we're taking 2 to the power of whatever number our x value is. So 2 to the first power is 2 times 1 is 2. 2 to the second power is 4. 4 times 1 is 2. 2 to the third power is 8. 8 times 1 is 8. So we have a graph that is increasing from left to right, or what we call exponential growth. And you can tell if we zoomed out on this, our line will never cross 0. So we have what we call an asymptote at y equals 0. This function right here, our a value, or starting value, is 2. So you can see 2, it's also our y-intercept. Our scale factor is 3. So everything is going to be going 3. So 3 to the first power is 1. 1 times 3 to the first power is 3, excuse me. 3 times 2 is 6. If we look at the next one, 3 to the second power is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. So there's our point. So you can see our scale factor is 3. Again, we have exponential growth, or it's increasing from left to right, and we have an asymptote at y equals 0. So these two are both increasing. Notice that their b values are greater than 1. This function, our b value is 1/2. So it's less than 1, but it's also positive. And we have a decreasing, or what we call exponential decay. Our a value is 1, and that's our y-intercept. And you can see that our scale factor is 1/2. So 1/2 to the negative 1 is 2. Times 1 is 2. 1/2 to the negative 2 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. 2 to the negative 3 is 8. So 8 times 1 is 8. So you can see our scale factor is 1/2, and our beginning is 2. Here, our scale factor is 0.4, and our starting value is 2. So you can see our y-intercept is 2. And again, we have exponential decay, and we have an asymptote at y equals 0. So we have 0.4 to the negative 1 will be 2.5. 2.5 times 2 is 5. So you can see our scale factor is growing, is growing as we go negative, so we have a decrease, or exponential decay. Exponential decay is when we have a b value less than 1 and greater than 0. And exponential growth, our b value is greater than 1.